Yes, dear children, good afternoon again. Now we are going to start scattering of light. What is the definition of it? Write down. Scattering of light is the phenomenon of change in the direction of light. Change in the direction of light on striking an obstacle. On striking an obstacle an obstacle like an atom, molecule, dust particle, like an atom, molecule, dust particle, then the direction of light changes. So scattering involves bouncing off. Scattering involves the bouncing off of electromagnetic radiation electromagnetic radiation by atom of the medium, by atoms or molecules, by atoms, bouncing of the electromagnetic radiation by atom of the medium through which they are traveling. Write down, dear children, these definitions. It is a change in the direction of light on striking an obstacle like that of atom. It is also bouncing off of electromagnetic radiation by atom of the medium through which they are traveling. Most of the important phenomena of scattering of light. Write down blue color of sky. Most of the phenomenon based on scattering of light is blue color of sky. जो हमारे sky का color होता है. White color of clouds. सब explain करेंगे अभी. Blue color of sky, white color of clouds. Red hues of sunrise and sunset. Can be explained in terms of scattering of light. So here we are going to see what are the conditions for scattering of light. As you know, sunlight travels, as we know very well, sunlight travels through Earth atmosphere. Sunlight travels through Earth atmosphere of the Earth. It will get scattered. जब भी sunlight आती है in the Earth atmosphere, it will get scattered. जब light आ रही है हमारे पास in the Earth atmosphere, it will get scattered from large number of atoms and molecules. It will get scattered from the large number of atoms or molecules present in the atmosphere. Suppose the light is coming over here. This is the incident light. This is a scatter. This is the atom or molecule in the atmosphere. Then light can go anywhere in this manner. Here is the incident light. This is the incident light when falls on an atom or molecules in an atmosphere. It can go anywhere. This is called scattered light. My dear children, First of all, this phenomenon was seen by a scientist named Rayleigh. Lord Rayleigh was first observed this phenomenon, so it is also called Rayleigh scattering. It is also called Rayleigh scattering, and he suggested some ideas or conditions for scattering of light. Write down the condition of scattering. What are the important conditions of scattering? First, intensity of scattered light. Intensity of scattered light. Intensity of scattered light, IS. Intensity of scattered light, IS, varies inversely. Varies inversely as the fourth power of, varies inversely as the fourth power of the wavelength of incident light. As the fourth power of the wavelength of incident light. Okay, write down. This is the important condition. I as intensity of scattered light is inversely proportional to the 1 by lambda की power 4. Here is the condition. Fourth power of its wavelength of light. The another important condition. Scattering of light is relative. Size of scatter compared to the wavelength of light. The size of the scatter पार्टिकल की साइज को x मान लीजिए. जिस भी पार्टिकल से लाइट टकरा रही है, साइज ऑफ द स्कैटर इज x एंड वेवलेंथ ऑफ लाइट इज लैम्डा मान लीजिए. तो व्हाट इज द सेकंड कंडीशन?
Yes, sir.
For x is equal to lambda, the size of the scatter particle is less than to that of wavelength of light. अगर ऐसा है, size of the scatter is less than the wavelength of light, then scattering is valid. तभी scattering होगी बच्चों. Scattering is valid. जो हमारा पार्टिकल की साइज है जिससे लाइट टकरा रही है वो बहुत छोटा होना चाहिए. If the size of the scatter is less than to that of light, however, when x is greater than to that of lambda, size of the scatter is much larger than the wavelength of light, then scattering is not valid. Then scattering is not valid. So remember these two conditions. Both are very, very important conditions. All wavelengths are scattered in this condition nearly equally. जब x is greater than to that of lambda, in that event I can say all wavelengths are scattered nearly equally. This observation can be seen by an experiment done by Rayleigh that is called Tyndall effect. So let us, we are going to see, and one important activity here, write down Tyndall effect, and then we will see 4 applications. Now, dear children, to see the observation on scattering of light, here we can say, लिखो Tyndall effect. Tyndall effect. Yes. This experiment or activity also you can do at your home. First of all, take a source of light, say light is coming here in this manner. This light falls and a convex lens L1. A light is coming from this source and going like this. Say a parallel beam of light is coming over here. This parallel beam of light is passing through a container. अभी बता दें इस कंटेनर में क्या क्या है. Here it is in a container and light is going in this manner. Here. Like this. आगे बच्चों हमने कार्डबोर्ड लगा रखा है. Here. Here is a cardboard.
Yes, sir.
And on this cardboard, here is a cardboard from which light is passed. अभी बताएंगे क्या हो रहा है आगे. This is length. This is the container G. Then again, this light is passed through, and another lens L2. Here is another lens L2. Draw here, and this can be seen on a screen. Here it is our screen Y. The light is coming over here, and we are seeing here. एक बार फिगर बना लीजिए, then बताता हूं क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पर. How this experiment is going on.
Okay, sir.
Draw this figure first. बना लो बच्चों फिगर. This experiment based on the effect of scattering of light. This is based on scattering of light. Here. Draw this figure. It is a S is a source, a strong source of white light. It is a strong source of white light. It is held at the focus of L1. So we are getting parallel beam of light. This parallel beam of light passes through a transparent glass tank. Here it is a transparent glass tank G. This transparent glass tank contains clear water. इसके अंदर बच्चों clear water पड़ा हुआ है. The beam of light emerging from this tank through a narrow hole made on cardboard. यहाँ पर कार्डबोर्ड लिया गया है, कार्डबोर्ड पर एक नैरो होल किया गया है. This is cardboard. C. A sharp image of the hole is obtained on a screen Y. This is our screen Y. Here. This is our screen Y where we are getting the image. I dissolve 100 gram of sodium thiosulfate. इसके अंदर बच्चों 100 gram
Yes, sir.
of sodium thiosulfate. Sodium thiosulfate plus water. क्या क्या चीज है इस कंटेनर में? पानी है. Sodium thiosulfate.
Clear water.
Sodium thiosulfate and concentric sulfuric acid and concentrate H2SO4 1 to 2 ml only 2 drop. तो ये जो बच्चों कंटेनर है यहाँ पर, इस कंटेनर में पानी, सोडियम थायोसल्फेट. सोडियम थायोसल्फेट का फॉर्मूला होता है NaHSO4 सोडियम थायोसल्फेट और 1 to 2 ड्रॉप कॉन्सेंट्रेट H2SO4 डाला हुआ है. This is the construction of this experiment. बच्चों आप लोगों ने कभी देखा होगा मॉर्निंग सेशन में, लुक एट टू मी एंड लिसन मी केयरफुली. When the fine beam of sunlight enters in a room where already smoke is there, already smoke filled room, then what we observe? Smoke particles become visible. अगर dust particle हमारे कमरे में है और सनलाइट अगर आ रही है, सुबह सुबह देखना घर पर कभी आप, तो आपको जैसे ही लाइट आएगी उन पार्टिकल के ऊपर गिरेगी लाइट इन ए स्मोक फील्ड रूम जहां उड़ रही है. तो यू कैन ऑब्जर्व इन ए स्मोक फील्ड रूम visible due to the scattering of light, that smoke particles being visible due to scattering of light, due to bolo
Scattering of light.
very good Divi Vyas.
Scattering of light.
Scattering of light.
Okay, so now see this experiment again. I am telling, अब सुनिए मेरे को एक बार. It is a source of light, it is a lens,
Yes, sir.
it is a container. So when I dissolve 100 gram of sodium thiosulfate plus 1 to 2 drop of concentrated H2SO4 in a 1 liter of water, पानी कितना लिया सर? 1 liter. In a 1 liter of
1
water,
liter.
100 gram sodium thiosulfate और 1 to 2 gram concentrated H2SO4. Then what we observe? जैसे ये लाइट ऐसे जाती है, ये देखो ऐसे, you can understand like this. Here ये कंटेनर से ये लाइट यहाँ आ रही है, एक फेस ये हो गया, एक ये हो गया, एक ये हो गया, एक 4 फेस हो गए कंटेनर के. ये इमेजिन करना है यहाँ पर. 1 फेस, दूसरा फेस, तीसरा फेस और चौथा फेस. मैं बोलूंगा जब ध्यान होना चाहिए आपके. So what we observe first, observation number 1. From this experiment, what we observe, a fine sulfur particle. लिखो fine sulfur particle. सल्फर पार्टिकल कहां से आ रहे हैं? सोडियम थायोसल्फेट से. Fine sulfur particle precipitated in water in a couple of minutes. इसके अंदर जैसे हमने डाला तो जो सल्फर पार्टिकल है उसका प्रेसिपिटेट बन जाता है इन दिस वाटर, जैसे दूध के ऊपर मलाई जमती है. तो फाइन सल्फर पार्टिकल प्रेसिपिटेट इन वाटर इन अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. इन अ कपल ऑफ मिनट्स. हियर पहली चीज. सेकेंड वन, light gets scattered from the mini colloidal sulfur particle and we observe blue color to start with from the 3 sides of the tank. 3 साइड जो हमारे पास है टैंक की, इधर वाली और इधर वाली, वहां से हमको ब्लू कलर दिखाई देता है. From the 3 sides of the tank we are getting blue color. बट जो 4th साइड है, अगेन मैं बता रहा हूं आपको, देखो इधर लाइट जो आ रही है, ओके, यहां पर और यहां पर हमको ब्लू कलर दिखाई देता है. फ्रॉम द 3 साइड ऑफ द टैंक वी आर गेटिंग ब्लू कलर. ब्लू कलर स्कैटर्ड. बट फ्रॉम द 4th साइड ऑफ द टैंक, जिधर ये होल बना हुआ, ये देखो ये होल, ये वाला हिस्सा, इधर वाला हिस्सा, ये 3 साइड से तो हमको क्या दिखाई दे रहा है? ब्लू कलर. तो इन द सेकंड ऑब्जर्वेशन व्हाट वी ऑब्जर्व हियर, वी आर गेटिंग ब्लू कलर फ्रॉम द 3 साइड ऑफ द टैंक. व्हेन वी ऑब्जर्व द कलर ऑफ ट्रांसमिटेड लाइट फ्रॉम द 4th साइड ऑफ द टैंक, जिधर ये होल है, जिधर आगे होल है बच्चों कार्डबोर्ड पर, उस साइड पर जो टैंक का हिस्सा है, फ्रॉम द 4th साइड ऑफ द टैंक फेसिंग द होल We find first orange red color. We find first orange red color because the wavelength of red color is maximum होती है, तो केवल वही कलर हमको दिखाई देता है, बाकी ब्लू कलर जो है वो स्कैटर्ड हो गया, दूसरे सारे कलर चले गए. So from the fourth side of the tank we are getting orange red color and then we are getting bright red color on the screen Y. यहां तक आते आते only bright red color हम देख पाते हैं only. This is only and only due to scattering of light. This experiment you can do at your home. So this we are getting bright red color. This shows that तो सारे कलर हट गए, कौन सा कलर दिख रहा है लास्ट में? रेड कलर. तो व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन हियर? It shows that very fine particles scattered mainly. Fine particles, लिख लो in conclusion. Fine particles scattered mainly. Blue light of smaller wavelength. Fine particle scattered mainly. Blue light of smaller wavelength. And the transmitted light contains, यहाँ पर, the transmitted light contains longer wavelength, that is red color. That is called scattering of light. That is called scattering of light. आगे बात समझ में? Now, okay, so draw this figure and write down all the observations जो मैंने लिखी है यहाँ पर. Fine sulfur particle contained a precipitate in a couple of minutes. Okay. Now, ठीक है? Now this is all about today's module. In our next module, my dear children, we will see the applications of scattering of light. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it any problem? Then ask.
No, sir.
Okay? Yes. Attendance भेजिएगा मेरे को हिमांशु.